Do you at any point feel like your heart is beating or rippling a lot quicker than ordinary? Possibly it resembles your heart as skipping beats, or you feel your heartbeat in your neck and chest. You might be encountering heart palpitations. Heart palpitations might keep going for a couple of moments, and they can happen whenever. This incorporates when you're moving around, sitting or resting, or standing in a position. Fortunately, not all instances of quick heartbeat mean you have a heart condition. In some cases, the palpitations are brought about by things that make your heart work more harder, like stress, ailment, lack of hydration, workout. Different causes might include pregnancy, caffeine, other ailments, certain drugs, illicit medications, tobacco items. Watch this video to the end to learn 10 different ways you can oversee heart palpitations at home, when you should see your doctor, and tips for a healthy heart. 1. Try relaxation techniques. Stress can trigger or worsen heart palpitations. That is on the grounds that pressure and excitement can spike your adrenaline. Dealing with your stress through relaxation can help. Great choices include contemplation, yoga. Try this method by sitting cross-legged, taking a slow breath in through your noses and afterward out through your mouth. Rehash until you feel quiet. Keeping your overall feelings of anxiety low can assist you with staying away from episodes of quick heartbeat and lower your resting pulse over time. Biofeedback and directed symbolism are additionally viable choices. 2. Do vagal maneuvers. The vagus nerve has many capacities, including interfacing your cerebrum to your heart. Vagal maneuvers stimulate the vagus nerve and may assist with directing quick heartbeat. You can invigorate the vagus nerve at home, yet you ought to get a specialist's endorsement first. The following are a couple of ways you can animate the nerve: scrub down, sprinkle cold water all over, or apply a cold towel or ice pack to your face for 20 to 30 seconds. The shock of the cold water animates the nerve. Chant the word OM or cough or gag. Pause your breathing or bear down like you're having a bowel discharge. For best outcomes, play out these moves while laying on your back. Your primary care physician can tell you the best way to perform them accurately. 3. Drink sufficient water. Dehydration can cause heart palpitations. That is on the grounds that your blood contains water, so when you become dehydrated, your blood can become thicker. The thicker your blood is, the harder your heart needs to attempt to move it through your veins. That can expand your heartbeat rate and conceivably lead to palpitations. On the off chance that you feel your heartbeat climb, go after a glass of water. Assuming you notice your pee is dull yellow, drink more liquids to prevent or stop palpitations. 4. Reestablish electrolyte balance. Electrolytes help move electrical signals all through your body. Electrical signals are significant for the legitimate working of your heart. A few electrolytes that can help your heart well-being include potassium, calcium, magnesium, sodium. The greater part of these electrolytes are best gotten from food sources. Some great sources of potassium are avocados, bananas, yams, spinach. To build your intake of calcium, eat more dim mixed greens and dairy items. Dark leafy greens are likewise an extraordinary source of magnesium. As are nuts and fish. Supplements might assist with keeping up with your electrolyte balance, yet talk with a specialist prior to taking any new supplements. 5. Stay away from energizers. There are numerous substances that might make you bound to have a quick heartbeat. Disposing of these things from your day-by-day schedule might diminish or even stop your symptoms. They include juiced refreshments and food sources, tobacco items or pot, weighty liquor use, certain cold and cough meds, hunger suppressants, drugs you use to treat mental well-being conditions, hypertension prescriptions, illicit medications like cocaine, methamphetamine, or different amphetamines. Your own triggers will probably be interesting to you. Try keeping a rundown of the things you devour that might cause your heart palpitations. On the off chance that conceivable, keep away from any things you think might be causing your side effects and check whether your symptoms stop. 6. Attempt hawthorn berry extract. Hawthorn berry extract is a critical part of conventional Chinese medication and has been utilized to assist with stomach-related issues and high pulse. Hawthorn berry concentrate may likewise have the option to assist with diminishing heart palpitations. Hawthorn might cooperate with heart meds, so talk with your doctor prior to taking hawthorn extract. Hawthorn isn't suggested during pregnancy or breastfeeding and ought not be given to kids. 7. Do valsalva maneuvers. A valsalva maneuver is a breathing strategy that can assist with re-establishing a typical pulse. Assuming your heart is thumping excessively fast, to play out a valsalva move, do the accompanying strides all together. Squeeze your nose, close your mouth, endeavor to breathe out, push ahead, as though having a bowel discharge. Play out these means for 10 to 15 seconds. 8. Eat a balanced diet. A nutritious, balanced diet routine comprises of freshly fruits products, vegetables, entire grains, lean proteins, healthy fats from nuts or fish. Limit these food sources to bring down your danger of heart issues. Soaked fats, trans fats, salt, sugar. 9. Diminish feelings of anxiety, stress, and a quick pulse will quite often go inseparably. In that capacity, lessening your feelings of anxiety however much as possible can assist with bringing down your pulse. It can likewise bring down your danger of hypertension and other pressure-related medical problems. There are a number of effective strategies for reducing stress. Some include practicing mindfulness, trying deep relaxing, going to therapy, watching your caffeine intake, exercising daily, journaling. 10. Exercise routinely. Customary exercise is significant for physical, mental, and passionate prosperity. The American Heart Association trusted source recommends 150 minutes of moderate force oxygen consuming action each week, or 75 minutes of fiery vigorous movement week by week. Cardio doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, brisk walks have a large group of medical advantages, including weight reduction, lower pulse, and worked on cardiovascular well-being. Additional treatments. As a rule of heart palpitations, no treatment is important. All things being equal, you should focus on when you're encountering palpitations and stay away from exercises. Food varieties, or whatever else that welcomes them on. You might think that it is useful to record when you experience palpitations to check whether you can distinguish a trigger. Keeping a log may likewise be valuable on the off chance that you experience more palpitations over the long run. You can take this data to your primary care physician at future arrangements. In the event that your doctor recognizes a reason for your palpitations, they might suggest treatment. For instance, assuming your demonstrative tests uncover that you have coronary illness, your primary care physician will push ahead with a treatment plan around there. Treatment choices for coronary illness may include medications, medical procedure, or implantation of a gadget like a pacemaker. Conclusion: at your arrangement, your doctor will probably get some information about your clinical history, ask what side effects you're encountering, ask what meds you're taking, give you an actual test. It very well might be hard to track down the reason for your palpitations. Your doctor might arrange further tests or allude you to a cardiologist. Tests for heart palpitations might incorporate an electrocardiogram, ECG or EKG, which shows the electrical movement of your heart. You may likewise have an echocardiogram, which is an ultrasound test that assists your primary care physician with imagining the various pieces of your heart. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos like this.